Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video I'm going to show you how to create a partition out of your drive C. Now if I go to my disk PC, so let's open our disk PC. If I open my disk PC, so let's go to my computer for that. Disk PC. Now as you can see, I have only one drive here, which is my drive C, and then as you can see it's 500 gig. I need to create a partition out of only this one partition. During the installation I haven't been able to create a partition out of the drive C, but now that we are into Windows, I want to create a partition out of this. So without further delay, let's go through it and then see how to create a partition out of this drive C. For us to create a partition out of this drive C, let's go to our disk management. So you can right click on your start button and go to disk management, or you can press Windows key plus R, then type in disk management .msc. Right, once you have this, if I close this, now click on OK, it's going to open the same disk management. Right, so once our disk management is now open, this is our hard drive, which we have that here. And as you can see, the partition, that is the only partition which we have available. So let's see how to create the partition out of it. Now once you are here, what you are just going to do is that just click on the main partition, just as you can see, because these reserved partitions are created during the Windows installations, which are hidden. So this is our main partition, which is here, and as you can see, the same size. We have 464, and if you check here, we have the same size, which is 464. What you have to do is that just right click on it and then go to shrink volume. Once you just click on the shrink volume, just wait for it to load. So as you can see, this is our total space and this is size available for us to partition out of that. This is the size that we will type in and then take that size out of the total partition here, the partition available here. One thing for you to realize is that as you can see, they are all in megabytes, and as you all know, 1 gigabyte is 1024 megabyte. 1024 megabytes. So now what we just have to do is that, let's assume that I want to take 100 gig out of this partition. What I just need to do is that I just have to type in the amount of storage that I want to take out of the whole available size for me to take out. Now as you can see that it says what size available to shrink space. So this is the space available which I can take the size that I want to take out. And as I said, I want to take 100 gig out of this 409,000. And this 409,000, that means that is 400 gig. Now let's say you got here and then you are confused of what size to use or what amount to type in there. Now if you are going to use the same 100 gig as I said on my own, in order for you to get the 100 gig megabytes, what you just need to do is that you just multiply the 100 by 1024, which will give you 102,400. Likewise, if you are not using 100 gig but want to use 50 gig, so you use 50 gig times 1024, or if you want 10 gig, 10 times 1024. Any size that you want to use, you just use that total figure and then multiply it with the 1 gigabyte storage, which is 1024. Once you just multiply that, you are going to get your figures in megabyte. Then you just type that into this field. So what I want is, I want 100 gig out of it. So what I will do is that clear this. Now once I clear that, I'll just input my size. So I said 100 gig, so let's put 100. 1 2 3 100,000. I need 100,000 gig out of it, so which will be 100 gig. Once I have my size typed in here, what I just have to do is I just click on shrink. As I click on shrink, it's going to load and then take out the partition out. Now as you can see, this is the partition out, and you can see that we have 97.66 gigabytes, and now you can see that the size has reduced. So now let's go to this PC again. So we have to refresh this PC for it to take effect. Let's refresh this. Now you can see that the size has been reduced to 300, and as you can see, our partition which we created is not yet displayed here, and as you can see on the disk management, it is what unlocated. For us to make it available, we just have to create the partition and give it a drive letter in order for it to display on our disk PC. Right, so now let's do that. So what you just have to do is that right click on the partition, now go to new volume, go to next. One thing you can do in addition is that you can also go ahead to create another partition out of this partition. But in my case, once I just need the whole partition to I'll just leave it as it is. But if you need to partition it again, you just type the storage sizes that you want here, and then it will create another partition out of this. But as I said, I just want it all to be together. Right, so once I have the total size here, now click on next. And this is the drive letter, so as you can see, assign the following drive letter. So you can see that we can select, these are the available letters for you to create for your partition. But D is the current one, so I'll select D as my default. Now you click on next, and this is the partition. So you just click on next and then finish. So you just wait for it. As you can see, it is saying formatting, and you can see that it has now given it a drive letter D, and then the name is new volume. So if I go to this PC, you can see that we have the drive D here, and then which is the 97.5 gig. So that is just how easy and simple it is to create a partition out of your drive C, in case during your installation you haven't been able to create a partition out of your whole drive. So that is just how easy and simple it is to create partitions out of one drive after a fresh installation of Windows. That is just it. If this video was helpful to you in any way, kindly leave us a like and don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you on our next one. Peace out.